Hello Kronies, welcome back to the channel for a new video. I apologize first off the bat, I haven't bring out a lot of videos. I'm going live a lot lately, but I'll be working on a lot of content now that the summer's here. You guys know from the community that we bought the house right before winter. This house came with a 400 square foot garage with a loft up above it, right? So that's not even counting what's up above, the second floor. But down here in the main area, we're gonna be building a studio shop. Okay, so this is gonna be my YouTube studio, Kronies Media Studios, right? So we're gonna be doing a lot of stuff in here. I'm gonna be building mock-ups to show you guys all the different systems that we use in construction. I'll be doing how-tos, tool demonstrations. We'll compare tool brands to one another. I'll be doing a lot of stuff. It's gonna be so exciting. This summer is gonna be packed full of content. So you guys, if you're new to the channel, get subscribed right now so you don't miss all the action. We're gonna be, first off, okay, the garage was built on slab. So there's no grade beam, there's no footings, nothing like that. So we're gonna pour concrete, right? So we'll be doing our forms, pouring our concrete. We're gonna be insulating, we're gonna seal everything properly, both for water and fire. We're gonna be using poly 5/8 drywall, taping it, painting it. I'm gonna be trimming it, building all kinds of custom shelving, and I'm gonna be building grade beams for the lighting and all this stuff, okay? So it's gonna be very exciting, so don't miss this, guys. Get subscribed right now so you don't miss all the action. Because we'll be putting out a lot of content this summer, a lot of how-tos. Don't forget, okay, no matter what trade you're in, please, if you need help with your project or your trade, leave the questions down below in the comments and I will gladly get back to you, okay? If I don't know the answer, I will find the answers for you, all right? That's what we're here for, to help you guys with your projects and your trades. So get subscribed, and hit that bell notification icon so you don't miss it. As you can see, the water got in over the years. The bottom plate, which is this wood here, it's treated wood, right? So, but they didn't put, like, there's clearly no gasket underneath it. So the wood's all rotten. Like, that's right there is the exterior siding. Okay, that's the siding, guys. So I'm gonna peel the bottom of the siding back on the outside, right? Actually, while we're here, I'll show you this. I'm gonna caulk inside here with the black, like the Chemtron, okay? Like you can see the water damage, right? Like the water coming in, it's like this is all rotted away. But so what I'm gonna do is caulk the bottom plate on the front and back, okay? I'm gonna come around and just peel the, like this bottom back, okay, and get the caulking inside there in the back. Right? I might have to peel this whole bottom row off even, but caulk both sides. And then we're gonna build a grade beam type thing. Okay, so there was no concrete, so this is why you pour concrete. Okay, a footing, like a grade beam, that's what we call them. Okay, so you pour the grade beam, and then you put a gasket in between your bottom plate and the grade beam even, and you put the grade beam like a foot off the ground, okay? This is unacceptable. Right, this whole bottom will just rot away and it'll fall out. So I'm gonna caulk this bottom plate, okay? And then we're going to do concrete grade beams, okay? Like we'll pour right into here, okay? So it'll save the wood for a while. I can't really do, shit, I don't know if I could go outside and peel back, you know? I'd have to dig down a little bit, dig into the ground, around the perimeter, like the three sides anyways, and like, you know what I mean? I was just gonna drill dowel, like rebar into the pad here, and do like a little 3 5/8 to 4-inch footing, right? A 4-inch footing outside, you know what I mean? Because when I build the shelving and all the other stuff, I'll need a solid foundation. But yeah, lots of water damage. You know, I'm gonna go through, make sure all the windows are sealed. I'm gonna insulate and poly the whole thing, okay? So I'll insulate and poly the ceiling, insulate and poly the walls, so I'll do all the proper caulking in the corners and on the bottoms, and you know, I'll even caulk the top. I'm gonna caulk around the windows, okay? And then I will end up trimming it all out and everything. Like we're gonna we're gonna trim this whole thing out. All right, like it's gonna be beautiful. I'm gonna show you guys so much stuff. This is the shelving that was in there, plus the one I took apart, right? So there's 5 shelves here we're giving away. Somebody's coming to pick them up today, but they're pretty good for someone's shop or whatever. I'm just gonna build custom shelving, right? So it's all gonna be built into the garage, and it'll be beautiful. Right? It's not gonna be so big and bulky, and it's not gonna be in the way of the windows and everything like it was before. So we have some cleaning to do still, right? So I just got like all my stuff up to the loft, right? So all the fasteners and a lot of material and everything's up there. Got some material stored on the outside. I got my steel in here. This is the Chemtron here, so we'll be sealing it all with this stuff right here. Okay, this is the metal seal, acoustical sealant, but this is really good water resistant stuff. Okay, so I got enough caulking to do this whole garage. And then we're going to use the Hilti acrylic sealant for the CP606 for the fire sealing. Okay, so this is going to be fire seal and waterproof. So fire and waterproof. We're going to have a lot of equipment here. We're going to be putting a furnace in here. We're going to heat it. So there's a lot of stuff going in here. I'm going to have yeah, we want it to be fire rated, right? I'm gonna use all 5/8 drywall, even on the ceiling and the walls, all 5/8. I got the bat insulation. Get more of this stuff coming, and I got a poly, everything like that. So 6mm poly. It's gonna be really awesome, really heavy duty. So it'll be solid. By water won't be getting in here next spring, right? So yeah, and if it like rains heavily as well, we're not gonna have that issue, right? So we got a panel right to the garage. Super cool, right? So we got a breaker panel right here to the garage, the main coming in, and so that's awesome, right? I could wire up anything I want in here. Gonna get fiber optics out here so that we can get the computers hardwired in out here so that we can live stream and do all that fun stuff. I am getting a wireless router next weekend. It might do the trick, or we're gonna find out, okay? Because I'm gonna spend like $500-600 bucks on this router, so it should be good enough to reach out here to boost the signal. If not, there's another thing I can get that's like a repeater. Just plug it into the wall type thing, and it'll pick up the signal from the Wi-Fi, and it'll work that way. But one way or another, we're gonna have Wi-Fi here. We got lots of power out here, lots of receptacles. We got one, two, like here. We got two receptacles here. We got the 2 switches, one for the exterior, one for the interior. So we got 2 plugs there. One here, so that's 3, 4, right? Another one there, so there's 4. That's on one circuit, right? And then we got another 1, 2 at least on this wall. There might be a 3rd one in there somewhere. It doesn't look like it. So we got 2 on that wall and 2 on this wall. So lots of power. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 receptacles, 9 receptacles. So we got the one on the wall there as well. So yeah, lots of power. But yeah, so yeah, you can see so it's all cleaned up. The foam looks good on the windows. Like I said, I'm just gonna seal the poly to them with the caulking, and we'll be good. Some of the other projects we're going to be doing as well is this is like a play gym that was left by the previous owners. The couch was left by the previous owners. Get rid of that couch, get rid of that fabric on the top. We're going to put the plywood roofing, shingle it, build it so it's sealed. And then my idea, because we're heating the garage, is if I can get this window open and sealed, I can get this heated as well for the kids in the winter for a fort, right? So the down below there is also open for the kids, but you know, like I say, the rock climbing wall here, we're going to be adding some stones for the kids, and then of course the house. There's going to be tons of work going on in the house. We just bought this house, so I'm going to be doing a lot of work here. Probably, like I would like to knock the whole rear end off and build it out to here, right where the deck is. I'd love to add that space to the house. Not sure if that's going to happen, but at the very least we'll be doing like a sunroom where the deck is. Bay window where that big window is, we're going to knock that out, do a bay window at least, and then a sunroom over here. So lots of work to do inside the house as well. We're going to be doing detail work around the fireplace. And we're going to do all retiling everything, trimming everything again, retrimming the entire house. All the ceilings are like from the main floor and the second floor. All the ceilings are this ugly stucco crap. So we're going to be scraping all that off and painting all of the ceilings, adding crown moldings everywhere. And yeah, like I said, retiling things. There's work in the basement to do still, where our other studio is right now. And but yeah, there's gonna be a lot of work that we're gonna be doing. So fence work, yard work, all this stuff. It's gonna be exciting. I got material now here saved up from the as well, right? Some plywood and stuff like that, sheet steel, and then the metal mesh. Yeah, so we got a lot of material saved up. I got all the steel stud in the garage here. You can see it's all 20 gauge or above. Steel studs. We got 3 5/8, 6-inch. I got all my hat track and the angles. I got some 1 5". I got some lumber, and yeah, we're gonna be using the Chemtron right there for the water and the acoustical, and then of course we got the Hilti for the fire stop, the CP606, PL of course, yeah. But yeah, we just bought the house. There's gonna be a lot of work going on, and if you're a homeowner, a DIYer, or a tradesperson professionally, this is the channel you want to be, because we're going to be doing a lot of stuff, guys. I got a lot of tools. I got a lot of stuff up in the loft now, and yeah, we're going to be reviewing a lot of Hilti tools, okay, and more, like skill saw, the new skill chop saw, all that stuff we're going to be getting. So tools and how-tos. This channel is going to be jam-packed full of action, guys. So I know it's going to be so much fun, and you'll enjoy it a lot. So make sure when you join us in the live streams, guys, get in on the chat with a friendly community of tons of tradespeople and other creators as well on YouTube. So get involved in the chats and in the comments. We really love to hear from you. Get on the Discord. The Discord channel is amazing. We got a lot of really good people in the Discord. So yeah, give that a check out, right? So of course, we're going to have the heavy bag. I never go anywhere without my heavy bag. I'll be setting my heavy bag up here. I'll be getting a furnace in here. So the weights, big screen TV, everything, you name it. This is going to be the man cave, okay? Beer fridges, everything is going in here. So it's going to be a lot of fun. We'll just be hanging out with the boys. I'm getting a router installed next weekend so that I can get Wi-Fi out here so I can actually go live. I tried to go live from my phone, but because I don't have 1,000 subscribers, I can't use the YouTube app. I'm using Streamlabs. Kind of sucks. So on your phone. And so hopefully getting the router, the upgraded router, will fix all that, and it'll be really fun. So yeah, just waiting for it to dry out a bit now. Got it all cleaned out, swept out, stripped down. All the junk that he built and stuff is all gone. So yeah, bare garage now. Yeah, we're going to be installing a like lighting rack, a lighting grid. So I'm going to be doing grade beams, big steel box beams for the lighting grid. We're going to be, maybe for camera rigging and all this stuff. So it's going to be a real film studio and a real live shop. So like, man, I just can't wait to build all this stuff, right? Lighting and sound, everything's going to be mint in here. So it'll be soundproof for recording, and it's going to be off the hook, guys. Okay, guys, it's been very exciting, okay, buying the house and getting all this stuff ready. We're going to have a lot of work to do this summer, and hopefully by the winter, we're in here full time, okay? We get the studio up and running, so we're putting a furnace in here. We're going to heat it, right? So it's going to be awesome. We'll be in here all year round producing content for you. This is exciting, guys. I've been waiting for this for so long. They finally have the space to do this. It's very, very exciting. So get subscribed right now down below and hit that bell notification icon so you don't miss anything, okay? YouTube thinks you might like this video here on the top, so give it a watch. And I'm going to put another playlist down below for you guys. This is Chris. Bye for now.